Everyone, while we're all here at home, staying put, I put together a list of apps for video, either for editing or for capturing video. And I thought, why not give it out? So I itemized it here at the top. You can take a look, and I'm going to take you through some of my favorite ones too. This way you're able to see how they work, how they function, and how we're using them as well, or how I'm using them in regards to real estate. So let's start off by telling you that one that's not an app, the rest of them are, is LCA Marketing Center. I usually use that one to edit any of my graphics, anything that I typically use for my clients, so I can make some amazing graphics for them to use and for our agents to use, and some great tools. Check it out, lcamarketingcenter.com. All right, so out of the list that I have here, I'd say let's start with editing video first. Editing video, I really like Vemly. Vemly, it's VEME.ly. And that by far is my favorite because it's so dynamic. It serves as an editing tool, but more importantly, you can use a lot of these things that you're doing here in editing it into Instagram, put it into really all social media platforms, Facebook and TikTok. You can put a heading at the top, heading at the bottom, and if the videos are a minute or less, if you're paying for the paid version, it'll also give you the ability to caption them. You just have to go in there and tweak a few things here and there. Best app, I think, for video editing. Another one, Adobe Premiere Rush. I use that one a little bit. I found Vemly a little bit easier to use, but there's more tools on the Adobe side, obviously. And if you're using Adobe Premiere already, I don't think you'll have a problem with the Adobe Premiere Rush one anyways. KindMaster, or I don't know how to pronounce it. I pronounce it KindMaster. You can see it there up above. It's very intuitive, user-friendly. I like that one. Take a look at it. Again, I think Imovie, which is towards the bottom here of the editing video list, I think it's a little easier to use, but I know Imovie is only for Apple, so take a look at KineMaster if you don't have an Apple iPhone. Inshot. I love Inshot. I was one of the original users of Inshot way back when it came out, and it works a little bit like Vemly. I love it. Simple to use. You can edit. You can put a captioning at the top. You can make your video square or rectangular. Really easy to use as well. Ripple, R-I-P-L. You can take a look at that one. That one's more for creating like a brand and telling a short story into different social media outlets. I know some companies even use it to make these great little 15-second videos and capture people's attention. Really good for pushing out your brand. Take a look at Ripple. Mojo. I discovered Mojo about almost a year ago by accident. And Mojo is really fun because it puts your pictures together and even some videos. It adds some great music to the background. Lots of choices. Obviously, there's a paid version versus the not paid version. But take a look at Mojo. I thought it was super fun to use. Mojo, that one's been around for a long time. That kind of just animates your video, puts it all together for you. Really probably the most easy editing app out there. Take a look at Mojo. It's super easy to use. Magisto. This one I hadn't heard. One of my friends sent it to me. They said that, and I had to take notes on this one because I've not used this one. This was my friend's. An intuitive app using AI to transform videos and photos into polished short movies. So I'm assuming it's like Mojo and Mojo. I took a look at it and I was using it. Really good one. Michael Lafitte, yeah, I already posted them. Take a look at it. It's on the main feed. You can go to our business page. It's there. All of these are listed out and you can click on them and see them all. All right, so let's go into capturing video. The capturing video ones, I also have a little bit of a longer list here. All ones that are good that some of the top agents and editors are using. Number one is, now these are in no order and I'll tell you my favorite one, but number one is BigVu. This one records your video, but the cool thing about this one that stands out is that you can type in a script, and so it actually dictates your script in the screen so you're reading. And if you're not good at remembering what you're going to say, this is the best one for you. You can go down the list and say, okay, got it. I know what I'm going to say. Oh, it's spring break. Got it. And just follow along with it. It's super easy. It's called BigVu. It's spelled BigVu. Take a look at it. And then here's where I go into kind of my favorite one. It's between Clips, which is Apple only, and Vlog Easy, which is also Apple only. I would have chosen Vlog Easy if it wasn't for the glitches it has. Vlog Easy is really, really easy to use, really fun. Vlog Easy takes, you just shoot the video. Once you're done, you click done, and it pieces it together for you and removes the ums and the pauses from your video. So if you're going through a home and doing a type of like a video through the home, like a virtual tour type thing, it'll piece them all together. It'll make it look seamless. But again, it's a little glitchy. So that's why I ended up choosing Clips. Clips is Apple only. Record yourself. You can put stickers on there. You can change the background. You can change the imagery. And more importantly for me, it also captions as you're talking, which is beautiful. So, I mean, with everybody listening to video, when we're living in a normal world, not right now, but mostly everybody listening to video, with 80% of the people are watching it with video off, you need captioning. And this one does it for you. So Clips. Now, here are the other ones that are really good. Filmic Pro, it's FLIMICPRO. I put the link up there. This is probably the most powerful app out there. There isn't anything like it that I've seen, but it's also super complicated and complex. So if you don't have the time, and I think all of us do right now, to go in and do a deep dive into this, I suggest that you don't use it. But Filmic Pro is absolutely amazing, and that's Filmic Pro. And the next one is Mavis. Now, this is also super deep, but Mavis is Mavis. Mavis, the difference between this one and Filmic Pro, if you want to dive into these, Mavis is as complex and has as many tools as Filmic Pro, but it focuses more on the audio part of it. So it gives you more options for audio. So if you're big on audio, take a look at that one. And then the last one here for capturing video is Record It. Record It's really easy to use. It really does also screen recording. So you can record your favorite games and app tutorials. Some people want to record their stuff on here. If you have an iPhone, obviously the iPhone records itself. You know that there's an option for that as well. So that's for capturing video. Now, social. If you're on social, please go ahead and download TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And we had a morning webinar for the viral video people on our LCA viral video group. And we talked about YouTube Premium. And I love YouTube Premium because it allows you to play a lot of the videos in the background. So once you remove the app, it's still going to be playing those videos in the background. So if you're doing something else, you can still hear webinars going on or people talking on that video. And you can also download some of those videos from YouTube as well. So please download TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. If you haven't downloaded all of those four, go all in. And remember, take a look at LCA Marketing Center. And if you have any questions or I missed an app that you really love, put it up on here. I'd like to take a look at it and see what's up. Anyways, thanks everybody. Thanks for joining us. And I'll be doing some of these a little bit later on.